Bitcoin trades above $42,000. Ether stays below $2,300. India keeps stiff taxes on crypto as interim budget is revealed in election year. Bitcoin mining firm Scientific mined $812 million worth of BTC in 2023. ARK Invest says optimal Bitcoin portfolio allocation for 2023 was 19.4%. Germany banking giant DZ to pilot crypto trading this year. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets plunged in the past 24 hours as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's hawkish comments dashed early rate cut hopes. Bitcoin dropped below the $42,500 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2% at 54,050 points. In a much anticipated note, the Fed left its benchmark Fed funds rate range unchanged at 5.25% to 5.5% following the first Federal Open Market Committee meeting of the year. No indication of rate cut in the coming months has turned risky assets including cryptos lower. Interestingly, after filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the US, Celsius is ready to pay out $3 billion in cryptocurrency and cash to its creditors. The exit will involve the creation of Ionic Digital, a Bitcoin mining company which is managed by crypto mining firm Hut 8. Meanwhile, analysts have maintained that the Bitcoin has a limited downside as the largest crypto appears to be consolidating between $44,000 and $42,000 without clear direction. At the lower range of these levels could act as support where buyers might step in, they added. Bitfinex Securities, a security token platform, has extended its operations to El Salvador as a licensed supplier of digital asset services. El Salvador's decision to accept Bitcoin as legal cash in September 2021 was a bold step towards developing a Bitcoin-focused economy, and the opening of Bitfinex Securities in the nation comes after that. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.62 trillion mark, decreasing 1.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 8% to $63 billion. According to recent cryptocurrency news, Solana's stablecoin volume topped $300 billion, surpassing Ethereum. This expansion can be primarily attributed to the introduction of USDC and USDP on the Solana blockchain. The Ripple XRP token witnessed a decline of over 5% following speculation that the network had been hacked, resulting in the theft of $112.5 million worth of XRP. The Ethereum-based Ronin Network's native token RON surged to an almost 2-year high price of $2.89, continuing its current upward trajectory. Ronin, which is an Ethereum sidechain for cryptocurrency games, has witnessed a spike in users and momentum in recent times. S&P 500 futures rose after the Federal Reserve held steady on rates but signaled that a March cut is unlikely. Futures linked to the broad market index and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.21% and 0.34% respectively. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were higher by 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $42,250, down 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.7%, trading at $2,275. BNB was down by 1.3% to trade at $299. Solana SOL was down 3% and was trading at $96.5. Cardano's AD token was down by 2% to trade at $0.49. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $33.4, lower 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 4.4% to trade at $0.78. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.1% at $0.078. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, down by 1.7%. Polkadot was down by 3.3% to trade at $7.1.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. India has not introduced any changes to its controversial tax deducted at source policy that is affecting the crypto industry. The nation's finance minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, revealed the budget in Parliament on Thursday, as usual. Expectations were low for a change in the stiff taxes on crypto transactions, which include a 30% tax on profits and a 1% TDS on all transactions. However, there was a glimmer of hope because of efforts from the domestic crypto industry, and a study from a think tank pushed hard for a reduction in the TDS. In general, this budget had lower expectations in terms for the financial sector, as India is headed for general elections in the next 2 months. Sitharaman announced no changes in taxation, both direct and indirect. Go Scientific became North America's largest publicly listed crypto mining company in 2023 after mining 19,274 Bitcoin worth $812 million. In an X post on Jan 31st, the Bitcoin mining giant revealed that it mined 13,762 Bitcoin across its data centers in US states of Georgia, Kentucky, North Carolina, North Dakota, and Texas, while its customers and clients mined a total of 5,512 BTC in 2023, making it the largest Bitcoin miner in North America. The firm operates approximately 209,000 owned and co-located Bitcoin miners with a total energized hash rate of 23.2 exahashes per second at its data centers in 2023. The company also shared its yearly mining report revealing reduced power consumption at its data centers. Well, it delivered 480 megawatt hours to local grid partners in December 2023 and more than 131,000 megawatt hours to local grid partners throughout 2023. Bitcoin is an effective diversifier and counterbalance to traditional asset classes, and an optimal allocation in one's investment portfolio is just under 20%. Kathy Woods ARK Invest wrote in its annual Big ITRs report for 2024. Over the last 7 years, Bitcoin has registered an annualized return far surpassing that of major asset classes, with an optimal allocation rising to 19.4% in 2023, the firm wrote. Our analysis suggests that allocating 19.4% to Bitcoin in 2023 would have maximized a portfolio's risk-adjusted returns. The optimum allocation was 0.5% in 2015 and 6.2% in 2022. Well, Bitcoin is not just a new investment option but a vital component for diversifying investment portfolios, offering unprecedented growth potential among digital assets, the firm added. The ARK report also notes that most of the 2022 to 2023 crypto winter crises have come to a close. FTX recently announced that it plans to fully repay creditors, while Celsius will be distributing $3 billion in equity allocation in a new venture as part of its bankruptcy resolution. DZ Bank, Germany's second largest bank, plans to roll out a cryptocurrency trading pilot later this year, Bloomberg reported. Board member Sod Pankrada told Bloomberg that the bank, the central institution for some 700 cooperative lenders, wants to list a variety of cryptocurrencies and that the offering will be for customers who can invest without advice. The Frankfurt-based bank, which has $627 billion in assets under management, and will be released by November. The release came months after it announced that it would be using Metaverse technology solution to build crypto-related services. DZ's foray into Bitcoin trading comes alongside global adoption of cryptocurrencies among institutions, with the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity having their spot exchange-traded fund applications approved in the US last month, paving the way for billions of dollars worth of trading volume. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have USDC. Circle, the creator of stablecoins like USDC and EURC, plans to introduce its USD-pegged stablecoin on the Celo network, which is evolving into an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. The Celo network, led by C Labs, is aligning more closely with the Ethereum ecosystem. The integration of USDC onto the Celo network marks a significant milestone, and the partnership leverages Celo's mobile-centric approach, particularly in areas where blockchain technology is widely adopted. Next on the list, we have Solana. One of the year's greatest achievements was Solana, which achieved notable progress in a number of areas. In addition to being one of the best altcoins available, SOL has seen rapid growth inside the Solana ecosystem. According to a recent cryptocurrency news, Solana's stablecoin volume topped $300 billion, putting it far ahead of the Ethereum blockchain. This expansion, which threatens Ethereum's hegemony, can be primarily attributed to the introduction of USDC and USDP on the Solana blockchain. It is an appealing option for stablecoin transfers due to its fast transaction speeds and scalable architecture. Solana is good investment since more growth is expected in the future, even more so than Ethereum. Analysts believe SOL was trading at $95, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have a meme coin Wen. Wen, a popular meme coin based on the Solana blockchain, has surpassed Shiba Inu in trading volumes, reaching $115.08 million, according to Solana Flow. This suggests a shift in investor interest and trading preferences in the meme coin space. Wen's price also rose, but the token experienced a 9.35% decline over the past 24 hours due to the volatility surrounding meme coins. Despite outperforming SHIB in volume, Wen's surge did not significantly impact prices. Next on the list, we have Tether. Tether is nearing joining the tens of billions worth cryptocurrency league currently held by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and Binance Coin. With a market capitalization of $96 billion, USDT is the first stablecoin to reach this milestone. Bitcoin and Ethereum have maintained their positions, while Cardano, DogeCoin and Solana have also approached this mark. USDT's unique position stems from its stablecoin nature. Last on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano in 2024 has been experiencing price fluctuations since its peak in January. Initially trading within the $0.6 range, it dropped to $0.5, $0.4 and finally $0.47. Despite a brief recovery phase, ADA continued to lose gains. Currently, Cardano's price hovers around $0.52, with whale investors selling ADA, reducing their holdings from $18.3 billion to $8.1 billion ADA, valued at around $125 million. ADA was trading at $0.4, down 2.31% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.tweetversetv.io or scan the QR code.